Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to put outline on an image in GIMP. So first open the image, then right click, and then go to the layer and then select new layer. Make sure that you select transparency. The rest can look like this. Then click OK. After that you have to go here, the paths tool. Click here and make sure that this is wide, the outline that we're going to use. So select it and select it from here. Okay. Make sure that you're on design. After that, we start to design, like we put it this way. When it's time to close, we press Ctrl and click the first one. So it is done now. After that, we go to the edit, then go to the stroke paths, and we select the foreground color because we selected the white color before. So we're going to select this. And now here you have options like what line width you want and cap style, John style. I would like to use this and meter limit too. And then you have the pattern, which dash pattern. So personally, I like sparse dots. I will select this and then select stroke. After that, I'm just going to select this, and you will see that we have an outline using that we created using the GIMP. So this is how you outline an image in GIMP.